think it's actually day 4 of self-isolation quarantine. How are you all? I hope you're all surviving. It's Tuesday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. We're hanging in there. We're continuing to work on the garden, which is a great distraction, and we're using so many things just from around Travis's parents' property to build it, so that's been pretty cool. Haven't had to go out and get anything, so that's great. And that's it. So Jake is in here. Did you watch his day 2?
Mm-hmm.
What were you drawing? And what book did he write?
Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus and Elephant and Piggy.
And so then show me what he taught you to draw today.
Taught me how to draw Carol.
Sweet. That's cute. We have our plants here that we're going to plant in the garden. We were able to pick them up maybe like 4 or 5 days ago before things got really crazy. I feel like every day it's like another new restriction or thing or rule. So we were lucky that we snagged all the plants that we wanted that we're going to plant in the garden.
Man.
So we're going to finish the fencing up, and then once the fence is done, then we'll start planting to keep the bunnies out. That's our goal. That's why we're putting so much effort into it. This place there's bunnies everywhere. So our friends suggest to do everything you can to keep the bunnies out. Otherwise, planting a garden is not even worth it. So
now you can see, in that pile.
Yeah,
that's where all the bunnies are.
And under our shed.
Yeah. Okay. So the goal right now is to do just that.
Yeah.
Dude, I think those 2 posts I just put in, I think those are from my parents' first house in the Grove. That was their awning that they'd built. My dad just brought, I know, he brought all of the old wood, and so that was cool. Yeah, like original paint and everything.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's awesome.
Okay, so right now I think we're just laying it out so it won't when you take the poles off roll up again.
Laying what out?
Frustrating. The chicken wire. And we're gonna put that along the fence. Not this. Maybe this, I don't know. Over here and here. And also either on the other side, one of the sides we're gonna put wood too, because they can't push wood. Bunnies can't, so.
Can they dig holes under the wood?
That's the problem. So I think we're gonna dig a little, like a foot into the ground, then put the wood in. Look at that wood right there. Put that wood in, and then.
So boys are still working on the garden, and I am in the boys' room, cleaning it, organizing it, getting things thrown away, put away. Tomorrow and the next year are supposed to be rainy days, so that means living tiny feels really tiny on rainy days. And so getting things cleaned up and in a spot and organized so we can find other things that we want to maybe get out and play with and need keeps everything in a little bit more order, sort of. Here's the boys from the back window. It's really cold out there right now. Getting the fence built. It's looking good. Travis is going to build a little gate. I love it.
I am Saul.
Hey, you!
Avengers to battle.
Ah, what are you doing?
Okay, so we just finished the first giant wall.
Talk loudly.
Huh?
You guys speak loudly.
Sorry. So we just finished the first giant wall with chicken wire, wood, and then the posts. At the gate, and now we're working on the second one.
And how are you putting the posts in?
Well, we use this.
What's that called?
I have no idea.
Hole
Stick it in the ground, you pinch it.
Post hole digger.
Post hole digger.
Well, that's pretty obvious.
So boo.
so freaking cool. Always, always, always one step above.
Trying.
Day 578. Just kidding, I think it's day 5. Quarantine. Rained all day, which made it really hard to manage kids because we were inside all day. We did get out and drive to the pharmacy to pick up prescriptions that were at the drive-thru. Let the kids come with me to get them out of the house. The sun finally came out, so we're all gonna get some vitamin D and plant the garden, which is really exciting. What do you guys have?
Right now I have strawberries.
Some strawberries.
Let's see these.
You have strawberries too, Jake?
Yep.
Awesome. The soil is beautiful and perfect from all the rain, so it could not be a better day to get this going. Also, can we talk about this gate for a second? Oh, I love it. Hey, Riv, are you enjoying that coconut cookie?
So
Those have so many strawberries already.
Look at- this one's already turning red. I think it was these two plants between them. We have like 20 strawberries already.
Nice.
But since we have more, we maybe have 45.
So I was kind of thinking we could do the ones that'll stay. You know, these will grow forever.
What are they?
A blueberry,
Blueberry bush.
and then this one's a blackberry.
That's exciting. We've never done berries.
I know. So I was thinking kind of against this area. And this one. But I thought maybe doing the berry like here and then sticking 2 T-posts and running a fence. Like cut off some of that fence so that it can grow on the fence.
Yeah,
Just have a permanent home in here.
that'd be cool.
And maybe make it far enough so we have I can get another berry bush to put next to it. They grow, because that's blue or blackberry. We could do like a raspberry or something.
Cool.
And then maybe another blueberry.
What's this gonna be for?
Oh, it's gonna be for the strawberries.
A little strawberry garden.
Yeah.
So we've got them laid out here. Blueberries,
Maybe need 4 or 5 more.
blackberries. We've got tomatoes, jalapenos, and 2 green bell peppers and 2 red bell peppers. We are by all means not gardeners, farmers, good at this, great at this. We try. We had a really good garden at our house one time just because we loved doing it. So we just go for it every time. We don't do a lot of research. We ask a lot of questions at the nursery. That's about it. We just dive in. We're those dive in people. Are you playing in the dirt? Oh, get it. Good job.
Patty cake,
Yeah, there you go.
patty cake, yes, patty cake.
Hi.
Tap the dirt,
calling
tap
me?
the dirt. Tap the dirt, tap the dirt.
Go play!
Good nurse. Tap the dirt.
Oh no.
Sand.
Oh no.
So that's to help keep them from.
What you got, Riv? Are you digging? You're so silly.
Silly boy. Silly boy.
Good job. You're gonna need a bath.
You need to hose them off before the bath.
Oh, I don't know.
All right, guys, so there's our garden. Took about 4 days and it's perfect. Good job, babe.
Thanks, love. I'm so excited about it.
It's really cool. And I hope that in this time of weirdness in the world that you're able to find something to distract you and to make you feel fulfilled and just
Yeah, it was a great little project. I think the whole family got involved, and the idea that, you know, we're a little bit more prepared. And it's not like this will help us tomorrow, but I think the idea is like in the future, you know, the more we learn about growing our own food, the better off we'll be.
but I also think it was just a good distraction.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Yeah. So, all right, guys.
Peace out.
Bye.